Let's find the derivative of y. Notice we have a product, and also we have, going to have to use the chain rule for one of those. So to find the derivative of this, we take the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first, which is just 1 in this case. So the hardest part is to find the derivative of the second function.
Oh, yeah, this is negative.
So the derivative of that function, oh, sorry, there should be a negative in front of that first x. So that's a -1 right there. So the derivative of that second piece of that function is going to be I got to take the derivative of the outer function, leaving the inner function unchanged, 5x squared plus 4. So there's the derivative of the outer function times the derivative of the inner function, which is just 10x. All right, now we're just going to clean up this whole mess. So that 10x and that 5 and that -x can all be kind of pulled out front, and that's just -50x squared times 5x squared plus 4 to the 4th. Remember, I can't distribute this in here. Can't do that because there's an exponent right there. All right, and then minus 5x squared plus 4 to the 5th. And can I do anything else to simplify that? You could technically factor out some stuff. You can factor out one of these, which actually wouldn't necessarily be a bad idea, but you don't have to. This is probably the right final answer. But if you wanted to factor out, you could factor out a 5x squared plus 4 to the 4th power. And when you factor that out, here you're going to be left with a -50x squared. And here you're going to be left with a -5x squared plus 4. There's going to be 1 left there. And now you can simplify that more. 5x squared plus 4 to the 4th. Distribute that negative in right there. Will give you negative. So that's going to be a -55x squared, because they add together, minus 4.
That was the answer.
And that's a nicer looking answer. But technically this is also right up here. It's just he might want you to simplify it further. Your teacher might want you to do that further.